Welcome, class. Today our session title is Week 8, Session 31, Percent Composition and Empirical Formulas. We will move slowly and make the chemistry understandable. Your goal is to calculate percent composition and determine empirical formulas from composition data. Listen for these key terms: percent composition, empirical formula, molecular formula, mass percent, mole ratio. First, keep the three chemistry levels together. Percent composition tells the percent by mass of each element in a compound. An empirical formula gives the simplest whole number ratio of atoms. To find an empirical formula from mass data, convert masses to moles, divide by the smallest mole amount, and multiply if needed to reach whole numbers. When you feel stuck, ask, what did I observe? What are the particles doing? And what symbol or calculation represents it? The core model is this. The percent composition is part divided by whole times 100. Empirical formula work is ratio work, not mass guessing. Do not rush to an answer. Build the model first, then let the model guide the calculation or explanation. Now let's work an example. Finding an empirical formula. A compound is 40.0 grams carbon, 6.7 grams hydrogen, and 53.3 grams oxygen. Convert to moles. C is 40.0 divided by 12.01, which is 3.33. H is 6.7 divided by 1.01, which is 6.63. O is 53.3 divided by 16.0, which is 3.33. Divide by the smallest, 3.33. C is 1, H is 1.99, and O is 1. The empirical formula is CH2O. Notice how the answer comes from evidence and reasoning, not from guessing. Here is a second example. A molecular formula is a whole number multiple of the empirical formula. If the empirical formula is CH2O, with empirical mass about 30 grams per mole, and the molar mass is 180 grams per mole, the multiplier is 6. So the molecular formula is C6H12O6. Now answer this self-check. What is the empirical formula for a 1 to 2 to 1 ratio of CH to O? A strong answer should include CH2O. Empirical formulas show simplest whole number ratios. Before you leave, practice actively. Task 1. Find percent oxygen in H2O. Task 2. Find the empirical formula from 2.0 mol N and 5.0 mol O. Task 3. Explain the difference between empirical and molecular formulas. At the end of your study, write one sentence beginning, "The chemistry idea I must remember is." For more practice and exam preparation, visit www.bridgetoexam.com.